Hello everyone, welcome to Hari's Edu World. This is Hari Krishnan talking. Friends, in this video, we will go through the very important GK questions based on the Constituent Assembly India. This is a very important topic in all competitive examinations, and I prepared all these questions based on the previous year question papers of PSC and UPSC examinations. So don't miss any questions. Watch the full video. Okay, let's go to the questions. The first question: the Constituent Assembly was set up under which of the following Plan Report Commission? And the options: Cabinet Mission Plan, Simon Commission, Mavil Plan, Nehru Report. The right answer is option A, Cabinet Mission Plan. Let me add few more important points related to Cabinet Mission. The Cabinet Mission arrived on March 24, 1946. So this date is very important. And the cabinet mission was composed of three cabinet ministers of England, and they were Sir Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, and Alexander. So you can expect a question like, who was the head of the cabinet mission that came to India on 1946? And the right answer is Sir Patrick Lawrence. He was the head of the cabinet mission. Now we go to the next question. Which of the following place where the Constituent Assembly met for the first time on 9th December 1946? In the Library of the Council Chamber, Calcutta, in the Library of the Council Chamber, Delhi, in the Library of the Council Chamber, Madras, none of the above. And the right answer is option B, in the Library of the Council Chamber, Delhi. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Committee on the Rules of Procedure? Rajendra Prasad, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Pattabi Sitaramayya, K.M. Munshi. And the right answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Rajendra Prasad, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, B. Pattabi Sitaramayya. And the right answer is option B, Rajendra Prasad. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Credential Committee? Sardar Patel, B. Pattabi Sitaramayya, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, P.C. Joshi. The right answer is option C, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Order of Business Committee? K.M. Munshi, B. Pattabi Sitaramayya, H.C. Mukherjee, J.P. Kripalini. The right answer is option A, K.M. Munshi. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities? H.C. Mukherjee, Sardar Patel, J.P. Kripalini, P.C. Joshi. And right answer option B, Sardar Patel. Who among the following was the chairman of Constituent Assembly's States Committee? H.C. Mukherjee, Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, J.P. Kripalini. The right answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachidananda Sinha, J.P. Kripalini, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer option A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. How many readings were held on the Constitution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer 3. When did the first session of the Constituent Assembly took place? Answer 9 to 23rd December 1946. So this date is very important. On which day Constituent Assembly elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its permanent president? On 13th December 1946, on 12th December 1946, on 11th December 1946, on 10th December 1946. And the right answer is on 11 December 1946. Option C. Who among the following was the chairman of Minorities Subcommittee? H.C. Mukherjee, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer is option A, H.C. Mukherjee. How many members were elected through Provincial Legislative Assembly? 290, 292, 235, 250. And the right answer is option B, 292. Friends, let me add few more important points related to this. Before Indo-Pak division, the total number of members in the Constituent Assembly was 389. And out of this 389, 292 members were selected from the Provincial Legislative Assembly and 93 were elected from the Princely State and 4 members were from Chief Commissioner's province. But after Indo-Pak division, the number of members in the Constituent Assembly has reduced to 299. And then these 299 delegates completed the drafting of Indian Constitution. And friends, please remember there were 17 women members in the Constituent Assembly. Okay, now we go to the next question. Who is recognized as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer B.R. Ambedkar. So he was the first Union Law Minister of India. Who was elected as Vice President of the Constituent Assembly on 13 December 1946? Answer H.C. Mukherjee. Who was appointed as the Constitutional Advisor to the Assembly? Answer B.N. Rao. And there is another important point related to B.N. Rao. He was the man who prepared the first draft of the Indian Constitution. How many countries' constitution was studied by B.R. Ambedkar before making Indian Constitution? Answer 60. Which resolution became the preamble of the Constitution? Answer objective resolution. So this objective resolution was presented in the assembly by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the Constituent Assembly adopted this objective resolution on 22nd January 1947. So this date is very important. When did the Indian Constitution come into action? The answer 26 January 1950. So the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, but that came into action on 26 January 1950. So don't confuse these two dates. This is very important. When was Indian national flag adopted by Constituent Assembly? 22nd July 1947, 20th July 1947, 25th July 1947, 27th July 1947. And the right answer is 22nd July 1947. Option A. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha after India turned into a republic? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, G.V. Mavlankar, B.N. Rao, H.C. Mukherjee. The right answer is option B, G.V. Mavlankar. How many articles are written in the Constitution when it came into effect? Answer 395 article. And the Constitution consists of 22 parts and 8 schedule at that time. The oldest person in India Constituent Assembly. Friends, this is a question for you. You have to find out the answer and enter the answer in the comment box. So don't forget to enter the answer in the comment box. The national anthem was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950, 24th January 1947, 22nd January 1950, 22nd January 1947. The right answer is 24th January 1950, option A. The drafting committee of Constituent Assembly was appointed on 15th August 1947, 29th August 1947, 20th August 1950, 29th August 1950. The right answer, 29th August 1947, option B. The final session of the Constituent Assembly was held on 24th February 1850, 25th July 1950, 24th January 1950, 25th December 1950. So the right answer is 24th January 1950, option C. Total number of members signed on the Constitution. Answer 284. Who was the chairman of Union Powers Committee, Union Constitution Committee, and States Committee of the Constitutional Assembly? Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land and it is protected by the Supreme Court, the Constituent Assembly, the Parliament, the President. And the right answer is option A, the Supreme Court. How much time it took for the Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, 2 years, 9 months, 8 days, 2 years, 7 months, 18 days, 2 years, 5 months, 20 days. The right answer is 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Option A. And friends, this is just for your reference. The committees and the chairman of different committees are provided in a table form. So just pause the video and you can read this table. And now we go to the last question in this video. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? P. Upendra, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sachidananda Sinha, B.R. Ambedkar. And the right answer is option C, Sachidananda Sinha. So friends, if you like the content of this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the notification button to get the latest video alert. Thank you for watching.